I do.
You think there's gators in the water? No, sir. Don't want to find out, sir. Sir. 20 push-ups. Where you sit?
Brandon's going out in the water.
Got a question. How many did you do? 8, sir. Oh, I think you did none. Because at the end of every push-up, at the end of every push-up, start again. We just had this conversation.
He's in the water. It's fine.
Let's get it to
That water's cold.
It's really not that cold. I've been out walking. All right, 2 feet, gentlemen. All of you. Is that water cold? No, sir. It looks cold. Y'all look like you're shaking. You look like you're shaking.
It's warm, sir.
Again.
That's not far.
Is that water cold?
No, it's not far.